Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to open a SoFi high yield savings account. First, open the SoFi website or the SoFi app and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are logged in, look at the top of the screen and click on the banking option. After that, click Get Started to begin opening your checking and savings account. On the account creation page, you will be asked what type of account you want to open. To start, everyone must fill out an individual application first. If you want to join an account, you can easily invite your partner from your dashboard later after you are approved. Next, enter your street address and complete all the address details that SoFi asks for. Make sure every detail is correct before moving on. After that, you will need to provide your personal information. This includes your date of birth, citizenship status, primary address, and your social security number, also called an SSN, or your ITIN if applicable. Answer any remaining questions and review your information before submitting your application. Once everything has been completed and approved, your SoFi checking and savings account will be opened. Keep in mind that your savings account will not automatically earn the highest APY. To activate the high yield APY, you must set up an eligible direct deposit or deposit at least $5,000 every 31 days. Meeting one of these requirements allows you to qualify for the highest available savings rate. That is how you can open a SoFi high yield savings account. Thanks for watching.